Question 1 of this exercise says find the circumference of the circles with the following radius. So basically we have to find the circumference of the circles when the radius is given. So let's start with the first part. So the radius that is given in the first part is 14 centimeter. Now we know how to find the circumference of a circle. So basically the formula to find the circumference of a circle is 2 pi and r, where r is the radius of the circle and pi is 22/7 that is given in the question. So let's solve it. So it will become 2 into 22/7, and when we put the value of radius, that is 14. So after solving this, we will get 88 centimeter. So that will be the circumference of the A part. Now let's move on to the B part. The radius that is given is 28 millimeter. Now we know the formula of circumference, that is 2 pi r. Let's put the value of radius. So it will become 2 into 22/7 into 28. So the final answer after solving this, we will get 176 millimeter. Be careful about the unit, as this time the radius is given in millimeter. So the final answer will also be in millimeter. Now let's move on to the C part. The radius that is given is 21 centimeter, and the formula to find the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So it will be 2 into 22/7 into radius, which is 21 centimeter. So after solving it, we will get 132 centimeter. So that will be the circumference of the circle when the radius is 21 centimeter.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.